Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to make space header different in Apple Pages. Let's get started. Open a Pages document, double click on the document. There have 6 pages. I will make different header each pages. Firstly, put the header, go to document and section option and document, check mark the header, add your header text and now check the all page header is same. Go to first page, end of text and go to tools menu and click the add break menu and click the section break. Create the section break space. Now change the header text and click the section and uncheck mark the match previous section. Now check the space header is different. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.